Hi lovies! It's MARYLOU here. Welcome back to my channel and to my new family guys. My virtual hug as always. And to the old ones, thank you so much lovies for still being here and for still supporting me. Yes, today's video I am going to share with you my new discovery and my newest favorite guys. I don't know if I'm getting addicted to this kind of procedure whatsoever. But yeah, I am going to share it with you guys. So yes, as women, we always want to pamper ourselves. We always want to have our me time. And we always want to look good, guys, right? And hindi naman langid sa kaalaman nating lahat that we have to save money because everything now is very expensive. And what's going on with the world is getting crazy. So we need to save for our rainy season. Yet, bakit kailangan natin ma-feel good? So, yun, we have to maintain ourselves, we have to look good for ourselves and for our partners and, you know, para maging pleasant. So, today, I am going to share with you my newest discovery. Ito yung permanent hair removal. It's the Intense Pulse Light. It's an IPL treatment that I bought online, guys. And I know it's costly, yet you can use this machine whenever possible or whenever you need it. So yun, I also inquired here, especially here in Israel, packages for IPL treatments. Usually IPL treatments is it's good for 12 sessions. Usually it's 2,500 shekels for 12 sessions. So converted into pesos, it's almost 35,000 pesos, guys. It's very expensive. So I researched and I found out and I saw this video of a Filipino YouTuber. Her name is Kathleen or Catherine. Yeah, and I like her very much. She explained and everything. So I got curious and I want to try. So yeah, I bought this machine. This is how it looks like, guys. This is LESCOLTON IPL machine. When you open, it looks like this. So meron siyang isang set siya, guys. Actually, and then may protector siya. And then the machine looks like a gun. So, eto, ganyan siya yung itsura niya. And I love it because it's handy and it's white. So, and it comes with a different, ano ba tawag dito? Saksakan, di ba? And then, aside from the IPL thing, meron siyang rejuvenation. But I never tried this one yet, guys. So, yun. This machine is not so heavy. It looks chic, actually. Plus, meron siyang charger. Ito, ganyan. So, hindi mo pala siya i-charge. Meron siyang line papunta dun sa saksakan. And then, meron siyang goggles, guys, to protect your eyes. Kasi nga, parang yung light nakaka-affect talaga yan sa mata. I already am on my second month. I just finished my second month, actually. The package has a manual, guys. Make sure that you have to read the manual before you start anything. Make sure that you're not allergic to anything before trying it. Then, guys, what you have to do, if you're very sensitive, try it yung mga dito sa elbow natin para ma-make sure natin na wala siyang allergic reaction sa katawan mo. So, ito na yung machine after kong isaksak, guys. This is the power button. Naririnig nyo. Parang mga 3 seconds aandar na siya. Medyo maingay-ingay. And then as you can see, meron siyang green light. Then when you press the power button 1, it's the second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's second, yung intensity niya ng light. Then third, fourth, and fifth. When I started doing that, I started with number 2 and I reacted to it. Maybe I just got scared. Yet, as you can see, I'm going to try it on my arm. And as you can see, guys, magbiblink siya. Hindi ko alam if makikita nyo. Magbiblink siya if ready na. Then, pipindutin nyo lang. Ganon. Pipindutin nyo lang. Ganon. Makikita nyo. Or nakikita nyo siya. Diba? So, kailangan nyo ng goggles nito, guys. Ayan, no? Nag-green siya. Again, sa second ngayon, sanay na ako. So, hindi na talaga siya gaanong masakit. Yet, for my private area, medyo nasa level 3 pa lang ako, guys. So, hindi pa siya gaanong sanay or hindi ko pa sinasanay yung katawan ko kasi medyo masakit talaga yung number 5. So, ayun, i-off na natin. So, yun, I will be inserting clips in the first try, and then the successive try, I didn't film it already since it's very, you know, parang ang bilis lang niyang sundan, guys. So for me to do that, it's nonsense already. But make sure, guys, before using this machine, kailangan nyo mag-shave. So kailangan nyo ng shaver. This is the Gillette, regular Gillette disposable shaver. You have to shave. Andyan, nag-i-insert ko yung video. And you have to shave your entire armpit or your private area para mas effective siya, para manunuot yung IPL doon sa ating mga roots ng hair, guys. Kung makikita nyo yung buhok ko sa kilikili ko, konti lang. Mga siguro kung lahat tutubo siya, bibilangin ko mga nasa 15, ganon, or 10 in every armpit ko. Pero black siya, guys, and I am not that hairy. So, ayun, very bothering for me, and especially hygiene din, kasi especially when you wear, you know, sleeveless clothes and stuff like that, medyo hassle talaga. Okay, so guys, instead of yung pang goggles nila, shades ko na lang yung gagamitin ko kasi hindi ako makakita, so kailangan nating mag-improvise. Ito lang siguro, sana hindi masakit. Hindi naman. Medyo mainit. Ow! Yung to pala mainit, guys. Kabila naman. Mahapdi. Mainit. Mahapdi siya, guys. Sobra. Level 2 pa lang. Hindi ko lubos maisip kasi sanay ako sa pagbubunot. So, hindi ko alam kung sana yan siya, or kasi parang lastiko. Masakit. Anyhow, after that, we will do the aftercare. And also, on my first treatment, as you can see, I use the aloe vera for aftercare. Yet, I realized, guys, di ba yung aloe vera, they are also helping for hair growth. So, sabi ko, oops, saglit lang, baka ginagawa ko to, then useless. Then I am not doing it right. So, wala akong masyadong aftercare na nilagay. But I use this aura cream. This is my savior. I have been telling you in my previous videos on my acne journey that this has been my lifesaver, guys. This is a baby diaper rash cream. Pero ginagamit ko siya sa face ko and feeling ko irritated siya. And that's what I'm using now with my armpit, yung aura cream after ng IPL. And especially on my private area, guys, it is very effective kasi very soothing siya. Kasi pang bata, sapit nga ng bata, di ba? But yeah, this, I have been using it a lot, and this has been my friend for years. I'm telling you, for years. What I do, guys, is that after kasi inuuna ko yung kilikili ko and then after doing so, magpapahinga muna ako, i-off ko yung machine para hindi siya ma-overheat kasi maximum of 25 minutes lang ata siya pwedeng gamitin. Then you have to let the machine rest para hindi siya ma-overheat and stuff like that. And then I also tried doing it on my private area. I don't have to show you already. And after so, nakikita ko na talaga yung improvement niya, guys. It's really, really improving well. Before doing that, guys, I also want to show you my favorite dress that I've been using. This is what I call my IPL dress. Ano lang siya, parang straight cut na dress from H&M. Kasi kailangan mo ng sleeveless nga na dress plus dito kasi, you know, sa ibaba. So, this is very handy-dandy. It's cotton. So, I bought this H&M. So, this is very essential at the same time kasi after ng IPL mo, very sensitive yung balat mo. So, you need to air it out. And in my case, I don't wear underpants after my IPL treatment, guys. And also make sure, guys, before you start doing the IPL, you have to make this chart. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, ha. This is my chart for 2 months. Actually, I created an IPL treatment. It has a bikini area and an armpit area, and I have to check this one. So, ayan, gagawa ka ng ganun kasi meron siyang timeline eh. Kunwari, sa first week mo, nandiyan lahat sa manual Sa first week mo, kailangan mo mag every 4 days. So, you have to be consistent. You have to be patient. Kasi, hindi mo siya makikita agad-agad eh. In my case, parang sabi ko, oops, parang hindi effective So, tinaasan ko siya, dahan-dahan tinaasan ko hanggang sa ma-tolerate nyo yung level nung machine. And then, finally, I got into the 5th number, the very high number of the IPL machine. And then yun, I use it for a month. And then, after that, I went and then my second month, I do it every 7 days. Kasi 4 times a month na lang. Pero this is the twist, guys. In our private area, alam nyo naman na medyo sensitive yan, di ba? And you cannot do it in the first or second try na ina number 5 yung level. Kasi sobrang sakit, guys. Hindi ko sinasabing masakit ito, pero parang yung may lastiko na nagpipinch sa balat nyo. So, the kilikili area, that's fine. But for the private area, medyo masakit siya. Yet, what I did is, nauna kasi yung kilikili ko eh. And in my first treatment, hindi ko sinama yung private area ko. And then, on my second treatment, sinama ko na siya. So, nahuli siya ng 1 treatment, di ba? On my second month, yung kilikili ko, naging, na siya, less na every 7 days. Pero, hanggang ngayon, on my second month, guys, yung private area ko every 4 days pa rin. Why? Kasi, yung improvement sa kilikili mo after first month na every 4 days, makikita mo na, as in super, makikita mo na siya, wala na masyadong tumutubong buhok. Yet, I always shave every time because that is in the instruction. You have to follow the instruction. Pero ngayon, on my second month, hindi na ako nag-shave kasi nga wala nang tumutubong buhok. Pero sa private area ko, still I am shaving before doing the IPL over and over again. And take note, guys, sobrang laki na ng improvement. I don't know if this is harmful or what, pero hindi siya kasi level 3 lang yung ginagamit ko. So, every 4 days pa lang ako. And I'm telling you guys, 50% of my hair down there, they're gone. So, yun. Tuwang-tuwa ako. Actually, sabi ko, i-share ko na ito sa inyo eh. Hindi ko na papaabutin na walang-wala na or what. Kasi yung buhok ko sa kilikili, ito yung before. Medyo yung cons lang niya, guys. Medyo umitim yung kilikili ko dahil may mga bes na napapasok ko or what. Mainit lang siya. But not that it hurts a lot. It's tolerable, actually. So yun, that's the experience that I had and I want to share it with you kasi ayan yung machine, sasabihin na natin ilang libo siya. Yet, guys, maaasahan mo siya anytime you want. Pwede mo siyang gawin sa sarili mo. And also, one of the convenient thing is you can do it at home. One thing also, yung goggles niya, sobrang dilim. Hindi ko kaya, so gumamit ako ng sunglasses ko. So, yun ang twist ko din doon. Anyways, guys, that is my review on this LESCOLTON IPL machine. Very safe, effective, and very, very convenient. So, ngayon medyo nahihiya ako sa kilikili ko na ipakita dahil medyo maitim siya, guys. Medyo initim siya. Pero, ayan na siya ngayon. Walang buhok na talaga. Promise. Sobrang feeling ko pag kinakapa kong ganyan. Sarap. Alam mo yun, yung parang ano lang. Pero medyo maitim. Umitim talaga siya, guys. So, what I'm going to do is, I am also going to share with you on my next video how I do whiten my kilikili. It is very affordable. It is very affordable home remedy thing that you can do it at home. So, I want to share it with you guys. So, that is it, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this mini tip that I shared with you. And always try things, but it's on your own risk, guys. I'm not saying this, or this is not a sponsored video, guys, actually, yeah. So I just want to make sure, and I just want to clarify to all of you. But anyhow, guys, thank you so much for being with me until the end of the video. Always remember, live life to the fullest because we only live once. So live, love, love. Bye!